Hey, this is Max Van over at SportbikeTracker.com, and today I'm coming at you with the all-new Alpinestars GP Plus RV3 leather gloves. So the all-new Alpinestars GP Plus RV3 leather glove retails for $229.95. There are 5 colors available, ranging from many sizes, so we can talk about sizing. I'm an extra large in 99.9% of the gloves out there, and I'm wearing an extra large in these, and they fit pretty well. What reminds me of these is going to be the Alpinestars SP8 V3 leather glove. This is honestly, in my opinion, just a step up from that. So right now, this thing, 5 different colorways. The design here, they're all pretty similar. This looks super sweet. It's almost out of some MotoGP looking stuff, that's for damn sure. Kind of like Marc Marquez and all the other guys out there with their custom gloves. So I guess we can go into features and protection. So I'm going to start off with the features. It does have a touchscreen compatible index finger and the thumb on the tips right here. Protection wise, it's CE level 1 certified. It's got the hard knuckle slider here, throughout the fingers, hard sliders there, and it does have a new palm slider that Alpinestars constructed, which is, I'd say, an improvement from the old one to brace yourself for impact. It's got the pinky bridge. It does not have a hard ulna slider here, but maybe because this, in my opinion, is more of a street glove. Again, just a step up from the SP8 V3. This can be tucked into a jacket, but I would still consider this a full street glove. It looks like it's going to flow a ton of air here, and what Alpinestars is now doing, and I think they're floating away from the free floating knuckle, and just allowing more stretch paneling, new fabric, especially throughout the fingers. You can see this here. So who's this glove for? In my opinion, this is going to be perfect for an entry-level track day rider or spirited-level street rider. And Alpinestars, they also do have a new glove coming out, a new Super Tech that should be available, hopefully coming August for you guys who are looking out there to purchase that one. Retail is going to be a few more than this, let's just say that. But yeah, overall, Alpinestars, you did a wonderful job. I am very happy with this. I own my own glove company, so I'm a complete nerd when it comes down to this stuff. So if you guys have any more questions, drop them in the comments. My father and I will answer them, and we'll get back with you soon.